Hey guys, we are known for our burgers here at Papi's here in the Drake Hotel. You got to check these burgers out. Drake, which burger do you have?
I have the candy bacon barbecue burger. It is delicious.
Then Trish, you got two burgers. Oh no, you got one, I see. What do you have? The big Papi?
Yeah, I have the big Papi. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. And what do you have here, Rochelle?
I have the bacon jalapenos.
The cheesy bacon jalapeno burger. And what do you have here, Chin?
Barbecue with combination of candied bacon.
That's true. That's the candy bacon burger with pulled pork. So that's a burger on steroids. And what do you have over here?
I have Mercy.
Oh, you have the Mercy burger. There you go. Guys, once again, if you want a real burger in Angeles City, Papi's is the place for you. All right, guys, we're here out in the front of Drake and Papi's. We got a new sign going up. Check this out, guys. All right, these guys are here putting up our new sign out by the road. It's nice and bright. Shouldn't be too hard, just gotta hang it up. There we go, there we go. 5 hours, $6.99, 22 hours, $1,200 and up. Drake Hotel, take that. Now everybody knows just how great of a value we offer on the street. Everybody's walking by, they don't know how much the Drake costs. Now they know. What do you think?
Yes, looks good.
Yeah? I like it. You tell them, Roji. We'll get this sign put up, get it all evened out. Looks like it's a little off. Roji says it's got to come down a little bit. A little down on the left. I don't know, it looks kind of straight to me. Anyway.
Not too long, because sometimes, you know, some trucks there.
Yes, might get smacked by a truck coming by, but so far it's been lucky we made it.
Yeah.
But it looks like it's pretty good. Swinging in the wind a little bit. Yeah, these guys were supposed to come back last night, and you know how that goes. We'll be back tonight.
Be careful, don't touch it.
All right, we might have him. He's got a little electricity work going on here.
Do you need a ladder?
Now he's got his truck. He's all right.
Okay.
Mercy's worried that he needs a ladder. These guys don't need ladders. They got the jeepney here, modified jeepney. Just make sure he didn't get a little shock. Standing. At least he got some rubber shoes on, right? Yeah, he'd be breakdancing. I think the power is off anyway. The power's not even on, right, Roji? No power.
No power.
It's turned off. Yeah. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. The power's off. Why don't you test it for me? Just touch it to your tongue. I think you'll find out it's off. There we go. We get that all twisted up. Get it lit up. Tell everybody the Drake is only $6.99 for 5 hours, guys. If you need a little 5 hour rest, $6.99. You just come in and take a little breather for 5 hours. Only $6.99. You can't go wrong. Why else would you need a room for 5 hours? I mean, what are you laughing about? What are you laughing about over here? Why else would you need a room for 5 hours? I mean, you don't want to stay for 22 hours. You just want to come in for 5. Just take a little shower, rest up before you get on the plane, you know? That's it. Now you can stay for 22 hours if you like, for as low as $1,200. And right now, if you stay every day you're staying with us, you get 200 pesos off in the restaurant every day you stay. So you can't beat it. Now that doesn't apply to the 5 hour time. the 200 off in the restaurant, you know. You can't expect you to eat and stay for only 5 hours. You got to stay at least 22 to get that 200. Anyway, there we go. There we have it. We got the sign going up today. We're going to go in the restaurant here in a minute and we're going to see what's cooking. I think we got some new items we're going to present today, right?
Yes, we gotta try those.
Well, we got to show you the Dirt Diggler.
Yes.
Have you had the Dirt Diggler yet?
No, not yet.
Oh, you got to try the Dirt Diggler. It's very popular.
Very popular.
I've seen it.
It's a monster.
It's humongous.
It's a humongous. Yeah.
Looks like 4 cannonballs.
Yeah, the Dirt Diggler is humongous. He said it right here. So you can't eat all of it. Most can only take half. Yeah, we sold a lot of Dirt Digglers. That's a popular item so far. One of our most popular subs, our Dirt Diggler meatball sub. We have spaghetti and meatballs as well on the menu today because, hey, we already got the meatballs for the sub. Why not throw it on some spaghetti, right? That's what we're doing, guys. So these guys are coming out Saturday and they're going to put up our big sign. We've been waiting for this for a long time.
Yeah.
We got a big sign finally going up here in that circled area. The old covering up whatever symbol that is. I guess that means something in Japanese from the old hotel. We've been meaning to cover that up. Hell, it's been almost a year and we're finally getting to it.
Maybe it's the movie in Japanese.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna put us a big round Drake sign right up there and you'll be able to see us all the way from Clark over here. As you're driving down the highway in Clark, you'll be able to see our Drake sign all lit up here, know right where we're at. We always had this one here from the beginning and of course the Papi sign over here. And we got a little Drake sign right here that people see up and down this road. But yeah, this one's really stands out. We need this one up here. We've actually needed it for a while and we're just getting to it. Found a good sign company to take care of us. And you're going? All right, appreciate it. Thank you. All right, our sign guys are off. They're looking forward to put that big sign up here on Saturday. Let's go in and see what's going on in the restaurant, everybody. We'll see about, it's still breakfast time right now. I'm not ready for a Dirt Diggler yet, but I might have to get me a Dirt Diggler sub here in a little while. Right out there, show you what it's about. We'll see what the Dirt Diggler is all about later. Oh, we got a pretty Christmas tree here. Look, Mercy has to plug it in. Mercy did a good job.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, we got not the real. We didn't get to show the projector here. We have a Papi's projector system here. We're going to throw that out there on the road as well one day. Right now, we're just going to use it right out here in the lobby. But look at this pretty Christmas tree. Isn't that something? Mercy and the girls here. We only have one gift down here right now. I don't know if that'll last. You better not put that out here. It might sneak off. But Mercy and the girls here all decorating for Christmas. We don't have our lights on up here. We need to turn our lights on, Hazel. Our Christmas lights. We got to turn our lights on. Ah, there we go. Yeah, we got our Christmas garland all hung up here. Got our stockings back here with everybody's name on them. We got the garland below the counter as well. Very pretty decorations the girls do. And of course our vanity mirror here. Got to have a little vanity picture, Christmas picture here. Everybody stops and looks in this mirror when they're, I don't know why, it's just the most popular item in the lobby. All the girls come here and start checking themselves out in this big mirror here. So we put a little Christmas decoration on it. And we've went on into the restaurant as well with some decorations here and there. We got a few things going on decoration wise. We got decorations behind the counter, stockings everywhere. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. In the Christmas spirit here at Papi's. Christmas is upon us. Oh, what do we have here? Looks like you got a Dirk Diggler in front of you.
I do have one.
My goodness, can you eat the whole Dirk Diggler?
No, I want to share with my friend.
Oh, you're going to share with your friend. I think Dirk would love to hear that.
Oh my God.
You know, Eric, here in Andrews,
Yeah?
it's really important to share the meat.
Yeah, you got to share your food.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're having fettuccine with meatballs.
Yeah.
That's a twist.
That is a twist.
Fettuccine Alfredo with meatballs. Mr. James over there is having a Dirk Diggler as well, I believe. The Dirk is a popular item. Look at that cheese. My goodness. We are going to feast. I had enough Dirk Digglers for the last couple of days. I'm going to just straight up Mercy Burger. I'm going to have my classic cheeseburger. Can't go wrong with the cheeseburger over here at Papi's. But what really is the star right now is these Dirk Diggler meatball subs, I'm telling you. Look at that. Just a little portion of it for Miss Hazel here. Look at the cheesiness, sauciness. And our bread is something special. What do you say over there, James?
Cheesy.
The cheese. It's all about the meat and the cheese when you come down to the Diggler, right? Well, you might want to save me a bite of that.
Yes, Papi.
Even though I'm eating a hamburger, and I've eaten Dirk Digglers for the last 2 days,
It's always good, baby.
I just couldn't get enough. I still can't. I'm still craving it, even though I've had my fill of the Dirk.
Oh God, look at this. Oh God. It's messy.
It is a mess. It's a delicious mess. All right, let's dig in. Yeah, these burgers here, my goodness. You can't go wrong with a burger here at Papi's. This is a monster. Look at this burger with my hand on it, how big this is. That's our smallest burger, guys, is the Mercy Burger. It's got some bacon, it's got American cheese on it, all the fixings. Mercy's over here. She's speechless. She's in the middle. She's speechless. She's just trying her
figure it out
best.
how I want to eat this.
One bite at a time. Look at that cheese, baby. There we go. One bite at a time is how you eat the Diggler. That's it. Dirk Diggler likes it being eaten one bite at a time. That's how it's supposed to go down. Our burgers here, guys, are cooked juicy, perfection every time, medium. I'm telling you guys, this is the place to get your burger. Imported beef, bacon, smoked bacon.
I'm afraid to go through Haitian.
What are you doing?
I'm afraid to go to Haitian.
Oh, you're afraid for that cheese? That cheese is scaring you, huh? You don't want to choke on the cheese. Don't ever choke on the Diggler. I'm sure it wouldn't be the first time.
It's just a regular ball gobbler there.
Ball gobbler. You know the best balls are here at Papi's.
I know that.
The best balls are served here at Papi's, that's for sure. Whether you want it on a fettuccine Alfredo, in our spaghetti with meatballs, or on the Dirk Diggler sandwich, we have the balls here at Papi's to feed you well.
Yep.
You won't leave hungry, that's for sure.
That's for sure.